Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to use the bulk create feature in Canva for free in 2025. So whether you are making multiple social media posts, certificates or business cards, this tool can save you hours. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you will have to open your web browser and search for canva.com. Once you are on Canva, you will have to simply log in into your account by providing your login credentials. Then you will see a bunch of different options over here like video, social media, presentation, etc. So you need to simply click on any of these and you need to open the template. Over here, you can design a layout with the help of the text placeholders for the things like name, tips, or the product titles. Now, once you are on this page, you need to hover over to the left hand section and click on apps. In your apps, you will have to use the search bar in the top and search for bulk create. Now, once you search for this query, you will find the first option of bulk create. So you need to just simply click on it. Now, this bulk create option is available with the free Canva plan as well. So you can just simply use it absolutely for free. Now, once you click on the bulk create option over here, you will see the enter data manually option. So if you click on this option, you will see the type of info that are directly into a small table. So this is the small table where you will see the default entries like the name and the email address. So you can either just type the name over here and the email, and you can press done in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and it will come something like this. Or you can just simply go back and click on the upload data, and you can also upload a CSV, which is a great option if you already have a spreadsheet. Each of the column actually represents a dynamic field that includes the name, quote and title. So each row becomes a new design. Then you just have to simply click on the connect data option in order to connect it, and after that, once you click on the continue option, all of your data will come into your presentation on each one of these pages, and you will be able to start using it. So as I said earlier, bulk create option is free to use on Canva, so you just have to log in into your account and start using it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.